Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unarchive a chat on the WhatsApp PC app, especially with the new update. If you've archived some chats and want to bring them back to your main chat list, follow these simple steps with me. First, let's start by opening your WhatsApp application on your PC. Double-click the icon to launch it. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. Here you'll see all your chats neatly lined up. Now, if you look closely, there's a section labeled Archive Chats. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to a list of all the chats you've archived. Next, from this list, find the chat you want to unarchive. It could be a personal chat or a group chat. Just scroll through the archived chats until you spot the conversation you need. Now that you've found the chat, it's time to unarchive it. Simply right-click on the chat you want to restore. A menu will pop up, giving you some options. Look for the option that says Unarchive Chat and click on it. And just like that, the selected chat will be moved back to your main chat list. It's a simple process, but it's always good to know how to manage your chats effectively. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks on WhatsApp and other apps. See you in the next video.